Looney Farm Guy here, and this is the Alpego Cayman CF series by SMI Modding Team and Alpego SPA on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro, and it's listed as 4 different cultivators, but there's actually only 2 with a couple of different variations. So we'll take a look at those. These are cultivators, 38 megabytes to download. So here it is. The picture shows 4, but we'll show you why. There's only actually 2. We have a rear design of a cage roller or disc roller, spring roller, cage roller. So those are a visual things you can do. And then the top mech, we have spring, or just like solidly mounted, so no movement on there. But so that's the difference. There's the spring one, and then the non-spring one, I guess is how I can describe that. Ford meter is working with 9 miles per hour. Again, we have a cage roller or disc roller on this one. That's the only choices there. And then we have the spring or non-spring option. All right. So let's take a look at the non-spring option first. And there are a couple of things you can play around with on these. There we go. First of all, you can fold them for transport, so it takes a few seconds for it to go through its procedure there. We have signal lights and so forth, reverse and brake lights, so that's nice. And there it is. That's all folded up, ready to transport, so nice and compact. Alright, so raise front loader tool. L1 and right stick, not that way, L1 and right stick left and right. That will raise and lower that entire back piece. Now that doesn't really do a whole lot of anything, but you can do it. R1 is open front loader tool, and that will adjust those discs that are in between there, as you can see there. And that's it. You lower it down and it will do that. Now the cage roller in the back is just a visual. It doesn't matter which one you put on there. It will leave a cultivated state, so it will cultivate your field. So let's go over to the other one with the springs. And the same options are here with this one. And let's go turn around a little bit and lower it down, and let's see if those springs actually. Ooh, so you can see there's some movement on those springs, which is nice to see. Not a lot, but there is movement, so it gives the yeah, some nice animations on there. Things are moving around as you would expect. And this one also does fold up. It takes a few seconds for it to start going through its procedure. Very realistic in that way. These are, as far as I can tell, a very real representation of the actual pieces of equipment. And there you have it, the Alpego Cayman CF series on Farm Sim 25. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.